Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Snehankita's Creation. It's me Snehankita. Today we will learn chapter 2 of coding, that is block coding. In today's session we will create a game using block coding. If you have not watched my video of introduction to coding, the link will be in the description box. You can go and check it out. If you are new in my channel, then subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, share this video, like this video and comment me below your ideas about apps and games. So without any delay, let's start. I told you we are going to make a game in the website. So it's basically code.org, and I'm going to tell you that for beginners and kids who don't know any language, block coding, by using block coding they can make different type of games. Okay, so for them block coding is the first step, and that is very important. So first of all, now we are going to create on this down arrow key. First of all, you log in, and I'm already logged in. You can see my name, Snehankita. So first press on this arrow key, down arrow key, and click on Sprite Lab. Now it is buffering. So we will on the screen now. Yeah. So now there are different type of sections or blocks. World. In the world there you can see different type of blocks that are related to background. Like over here, this is set background. We can set the background. Okay. This is the background color. If we want color, we will choose this. If we want any image, we will choose the first block. And if random color, we can choose the third one. This is sprites. Basically the characters are known as sprites. So next is locations. Okay, basically location means you can set any character's location, like there will be x-axis and y-axis. Next is events. Events means it tells something like if any arrow key is pressed, the functions, what will happen then. Okay. Next is behaviors. Behaviors means these blocks decide the behavior of the sprites, what they will do. Okay, next is loops. There are different type of loops. Do you know that repeat loop means what? Repeat loop means if you have to write any command again and again, you can just put the command inside the block and put how many times you have to do it. Okay, it's very easy. And another one is nested loop. Nested loop means if a loop is inside a loop, that is called a nested loop. Next is variables. Variables means you can set your own variable. Okay. Next, math. There are different type of calculations, like here is plus, you can do minus, you can set a random integer. Blocks are related to math. In logic, everything is you have to apply the logic. These are the logic blocks. Next is function. You can create your own function. Next is text. You can write in text, you can type any sentence or any word. Next is comment. You can write any comment. So now let's start. And this is our workspace where we will do our block coding. And this is the screen where the result will be shown. And when you click on run, the result will be shown. And these are the arrow keys. You also are having it on your keyboard. Okay. Now let's start. First of all, you have to delete this first icon. For how to drag and delete, you just drag it and you can see this delete icon. Just put it over there. It will delete. First, click on the world. Then take this first block, that is set background. You have to set the background to your choice, like I'm setting it as forest. But you saw in the first click it didn't come. Don't worry. Then you have to again click on the arrow key and the first image will be your image. Which one you choose? Next, now you have to go to the world again. Now we should also have a title screen. So we will write our game's title. What is our name of the game? We will write it as Alien Visits Earth. Okay, so this is my title. Now, after that, we will create our sprite. That means our character. So, for that, we have to go to the sprite section. Take the first block, that is make a new sprite. And instead of this bunny, I will go to the costumes. And I will go to the new costume. I will take the spaceship. Spaceship. Okay. This is my spaceship. If you have to do any changes in it, you can do over here. But I want that like the default one. So we will go to the code again. And instead of this bunny, it will be at the first, like it happened in the background block. You have to just click it. But it's too small. We have to do it a little bit bigger. For that, go to the sprite and take this block. That is, change the size. Okay. So the size will be 160. Just 1 second. 160. Okay, it's 160, but it's too bigger as 160. We can do it as 100. Yeah, now it's okay. After that, you click on this spoon-like button. You will be thinking, what is this? Basically, it can change the position of your spaceship or the character, any character, which one you put. I will do it over here. Okay. You can change this. I will do it as 60 because it's okay. Now we will again go to the sprites and take another block. We will make our alien. Go to the costume. And after that again click on new costume and search for aliens. See, you can see different type of aliens over here. I will take this yellow one. It looks nice. Go to the code back. Take the alien. See, this is the alien. You can also take this alien. Okay, there are different type of alien. I'm taking this one. So as our spaceship is blue, I also took the alien as blue. Now let's go and put it over here. Okay. Now after that, you have to increase its size because it's too small. So after that, what you can do is again go to the sprites and take the set size or change size. You can take both. Okay. I'm taking the set size. And next you can do, click this. It's 50. It's too small. You can do it as 160. Yes, now it's okay. After that, now let's do the next thing. Now we are done with the sprites. Now when we click on the right arrow key, it should go right, no? So for it, go to the events and take the first event. When right is pressed, what will happen? Then go to the sprites again, and after that take this move block. So it will move. It will move east because right is east. So it will move how many pixels? It will move 30 pixels at one time east. When we will press our right arrow key and you will choose your. I took this one, so I will choose my alien. So now we can check it. Click on this. See, it is going. It's alright. Now let's go to another one. You have to just do Ctrl+C, that means copy and paste. Okay. You can copy the second block also. And instead of this east, you have to change it to west as we are doing it for left. Instead of right, do it as left. Yeah, it's done. Now let's check it also. See, it's going left, it's going right. Okay. Now, we will do it for up and down. So, now you can do one thing. You go to the events again and take this one when up is pressed. When up is pressed, now copy this second block. Okay, it will move how many pixels? 30 pixels, but which direction? So as we know, up means north. So we'll choose the north. After that, now let's see if it is going. Yeah. And now we will do it same for what? Yeah, down. So we will just copy it and paste. And also the second block also will copy and paste. But like that we done in right and left, that like we done opposites east and west, here also instead of up we'll just put down, and instead of north we will put south. Done. Now let's check. It goes here, it goes here, it goes here, it goes here. Yeah, it's done. Now when the alien is trying to find its spaceship, so when it will find a spaceship, so what will happen, it will disappear. Okay, so now you have to go to the events and take this. When this touches, means when the alien touches the spaceship, what will happen? So when the alien will touch the spaceship, what will happen? Then you have to go to the sprites and you have to take this, remove. It will remove our alien first. Okay, it will remove our, where is our alien? This one. After that, now what you have to do is you go to costume. Why I'm telling that? Wait for some time, I will tell you. And search for spaceship. Actually, when the spaceship will start, what will happen? Let me show you. And you have to choose the same spaceship. This one, what I chose. After that, you, instead of this black, we will choose red. Means the lights will on. Okay, we will go to the paint. So the lights will be on. Yeah, as you can see. Oh, not this. Control Z. This one, the lights are on. As you can see. And also this also, the white one also we can do red. It looks amazing. Now we will go back to code and also we will add another function. Go to the, and over here you will add another function. Okay, that will be that change our costume. Okay, go to the sprites first and then go down, scroll down. Okay, choose this one. Just 1 second. Go down and choose this one and put it over here. Okay, it will change. Which costume it will change? It will change the spaceship to the new one which we made. And after that it will also move. Am I right? So what will happen? It will change and also it will remove our title screen. So go to the world and take hide title screen. Okay, it will hide our title screen. Alright, after that, now let's check if the thing happened. It will go right, it will go up. Yeah, it happened, but it should also move. It will go, no, it should move. It will move up. How it will be done? For it, we will press the space arrow key. You have to copy this one, this event. Okay, and then we will put the event over here. Instead of this, we will do the space. When space will be pressed. And now you go to the sprites and go up and choose this move. So what will happen? As our white color spaceship is changed to the red one, the new one, so that will move. How many pixels north it will move? It will move 40 pixels. Okay, now let's check, and our game is ready. Now let's check. It will go right, it will go up, it will go up, it will touch. Yeah, and now place the space. So yeah, so it was all, and it was very easy to make, and we had also fun to learn it and also play it. So like that, you can make different type of games using your own ideas. So meet you in my next session, that will be very soon. Till then, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, then like this and comment me below your different type of ideas. Okay, so meet you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.